Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make bird face puppets. I have made a crow and a parrot. Let's start. Take a square red paper and fold it diagonally like this. Now open it and fold from both the sides. Apply Fevicol and paste it while overlapping. Now one part of the beak is ready. In the same way, prepare the other part. Join them with the help of a rectangular strip. The beak is ready. For making the face of the parrot, take a green circle. Now paste or draw the eyes. Paste the beak over it. Hold for a few seconds. Our parrot face is ready. Similarly, you can make a crow face with black paper. Use your imagination and creativity to make faces of other birds. Enjoy. Bye-bye.